Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Sean, if you don't already know. I feel like it's been such a minute since I've done like a day in the life. I think the last one was like when I went to New York for the day, but I want to do another one today because I really like doing those. Today it's Sunday. It's like a chill day. We got to get some stuff done before work. I do got a draft party for my fantasy league that I'm going to be going to later. I just gave Harlem a bath and a haircut, which took about 3 hours. Went to the gym, so I got a lot of stuff done already, but I'm about to wash both the cars. Then by the time I'm done with that, it's probably gonna be time to actually get ready for this draft party anyway. So let's just get into the day and we're gonna see how it goes. One thing that I definitely do like about my Tesla is that I can move it with my damn phone. So that's definitely a plus. Save a couple of dollars washing the car by yourself, but it is not for the week because I'm like drenched, so I definitely need a shower like ASAP.
Doing lame shit and I'm irritated. I don't do no fuck shit, I'm a 80s baby. She wanna eat the dick on camera. Pussy ball head like Amber Rose. Tight look right, this a camera toe. Photo shoot. Pause, 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 photo shoot. Pause, pause.
Every time I clean this counter, like within like days, I swear it looks like this again. It's my fault. It's definitely my fault. But I did finally order a camera bag so I could put all my gear in it and stop leaving it like this. Because like as much as this drone and all this stuff costs, to just have it sitting on the kitchen counter, like it's crazy. But we're gonna get it together. For dinner tonight, I am doing meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans. So I want to get that stuff cut up so it's one less thing I gotta do when I get back later. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out right now. Something I was thinking about when I was putting on my outfit that definitely do a fit check for is I think I finally got out of the phase of buying all the expensive clothes and stuff like I was buying. Like when I got out of the military, I was dropping a bag on clothes, shoes, all that stuff like that. And now I'm like, it don't even matter anymore. I want to say this is like Fashion Nova, and it might be Shein. I think one of them, but either way, whatever I look good in these days is what I'm buying. Like, I still got all that stuff, but I ain't buying no more new items. I got enough anyway, so for real, I don't need to be spending no more money on that. One of my good friends told me, and I actually, when he said it, I ain't really think of it, but now I'll be like, you might have a point. He's like, in life, you can only have like 3 vices. And for a long time, mine was trips, cars, and clothes. And then I'm gonna even put hookah in there. So I have 4. And he's like, it's not sustainable to have more than 3. And I was like, man, I don't believe it. But sure enough, I feel like I'm back down to 3 now that I don't buy clothes. And I think hookah is gonna be getting pushed off the list at least probably within the next year. So I'll be down to like 2 things that like I don't seem to can go without doing. The travel, that might actually drop off the list for just a little bit, but cars, yeah, that's steady. I stay with a car. Love cars. All right, so we are on the way to Zikaret, which is in Alexandria. It's a Lebanese hookah lounge, a favorite of mine, because they got good hookah. It's usually not that crowded, which I love. And yeah, it's just a chill vibe. So me and a couple of my friends and co-workers are going there to do our draft there. So it's about a 30-minute drive from where I live. So we're gonna ride up real quick and we're gonna do that. You don't know about that Jasmine. My damn shit is on, I think it's on like 35%.
You drove it up here? Because I saw the one right there, and I was like, that's Sean right there. Nice. You got a car sitting in the back.
Definitely ain't mine. Mine blue. I park right next to you, actually.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
I'm gonna charge it when I get home. I ain't charged it since last Saturday. Like, it's been a minute. So I charge it like once a week at this point. And it worked out good. I washed both my cars this morning. I was like, all right, I'm ready to go.
you got a burger.
Yeah, I did before it got hot. My M8 and then my Tesla. It's my little everyday walk around. BMW?
I knew you. No, I always knew you had money. When I saw that red, I thought
I love my red car.
back in the day.
Everybody used to think that thing
I
was a
saw it was
Porsche.
a Porsche. I was like, okay.
All right, it's almost draft time. I got pick number 10. Pick number 1, sitting right there. We know who she's getting. That's Jamar Chase.
At a hookah spot. I wish I could have came, man, but I got some people pulling up in like 1.
Yeah, it's cool. We literally the only ones in here. Got the whole corner to ourselves. We sitting here, everybody logged in. Mel logged in, got the laptop. We got laptops, all shit in here.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Live on the draft with the first pick in the draft.
Hey, take your time on this. I know it's a hard one for you.
Yeah, you know, look, you got 47 seconds left. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
But the number one pick.
In the fantasy draft, Mel picks from Cincinnati, Jamar Chase. Lamar been gone. Oh,
She just got Lamar. Damn it now.
you knew Lamar wasn't gonna last that long though.
Oh, yeah. Make 4 more picks. 5 more picks.
Who you going for, Book?
This a hard pick. I'm going with Jake.
Who? Oh shit.
Take it, Jake.
Well, you didn't want him because you could have had him.
I didn't see him.
What?
I didn't.
You better search his
Listen, you see how I had to search for goddamn Almond Ross?
that motherfucker's name.
Well, I got second best.
Go JD.
Jackson.
You heard me? Yeah, I got it.
All right, so I got my team. And I feel like my team is hella good. We gonna see. I go against Daniel week 1. He's projected to actually win, but that shit ain't gonna happen. We're gonna see how this line up for real. All right, we're all done with the draft. That ain't even take that long. It's only like 3. So I'm about to head back to the house. No. I gotta stop at Sam's first. And then I'm gonna head back to the house so I can start cooking. Woo! I am back in the house and I'm cooking. Like I said earlier, like you saw, I cut up all my ingredients and stuff, and I'm making a meatloaf. Meatloaf is one of my favorites. So about to do that. Then I got a meal prep. I already put on my string beans, and I'm gonna do some steak and rice for my my work meal. All right, these gloves is large, but they kind of fit a little tight.